With this video, I'm going to show you how to make this first part of your work about value. So the objective of this part is just to make these two value scales that you have on your paper. The bigger the paper is, the better it's going to be the result. So I suggest you to use, for example, a letter-sized paper. And if it can be plain white, absolutely white, it would be best. But if you only have a paper from a small notebook and it has little squares, well, it is not that bad, don't you worry. Probably if your paper is smaller than a letter size paper, you should adapt the measures that I'm going to advise here to the size of your paper. But if you have a letter size paper, which is the regular paper that you use for your printer, then you can use the ones that I'm going to suggest. So what you're going to do is to take the paper in landscape position, that means horizontally, and on one side, either in the left or the right side, it doesn't matter, and without considering a specific measure between the borders, you are going to make a vertical line that is going to be 18 centimeters high. So let me show you here. It is going to be from here to here 18 centimeters. And the same you're going to do with this line. This is line number 2. With this one, line number 3. And finally, with this one, line number 4. Now, the space that there is between number 1 and number 2 is here, 2 centimeters. So you're going to make a line that is 2 centimeters wide, and you're going to repeat that one 9 times to create these boxes for your scale. So here, I'm gonna do it really fast. It doesn't matter if the result is not perfect. So you're going to have all these lines separating 9 different boxes. The same you're going to do in the scale with your hue, this one with the color. The division between this line number 2 and this one number 3, so this space between both scales, it's approximately of a centimeter, but there is not a precise measure that you have to take in between these two. The important thing, as I said, is to have boxes of 2 centimeters each of them. Now, when you have these boxes, what you're going to do is to start with the first one, making as dark as you can the value that you're going to use. And I suggest you to begin with the darkest, going all the way down to the lightest. The lightest, will have no color whatsoever. It's going to be completely white. So you make the darkest, then you make the next box and you leave it a little bit lighter than the previous one, and you repeat that process little by little until you get to nothing here in number 9. And that's the same process that you're going to do with the color, beginning with the darkest value, and then going little by little, reducing the pressure of the color until you get to box number 9, which has nothing. That's it, guys.